Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. This video is for the beginners who are interested to learn editing in Premiere Pro CC. So without further ado, let's begin. Open your Premiere Pro CC, then you'll find this page coming up. Click on New Project. You can rename your project as you like. Then you will find location. You can keep the same location or change it by clicking on Browse and set your destination folder where you want to keep all your Premiere Pro files. This is where I keep my files. Set your renderer as CUDA, as it will help you render your footage easily. Then go to Scratch Disk and set all as same as project if not set. Then click OK. You can also go to File, Project Setting, then Scratch Disk if you haven't set it before. Now, let's edit some footage. You can press Ctrl-I in your keyboard and import your footage from your drive. Select on the footage and click Open. Then drag the footage on your timeline. You can also drag the footage into your project. Make sure you click all these three when you are working in Premiere Pro CC. You can also unlink your clip by pressing Ctrl+L if you want to replace the audio or delete it. Select the clip and audio, then press Ctrl+L to link it again. As you can see, the scale of this is less. We can increase it by selecting the clip and then going into Effect Controls and then scaling it up till it fits the screen. Now we can adjust the clips by cutting the extra part of the clips by pressing Ctrl+K. We can also use the blade tool by pressing C in the tool section. We can transform the selection tool again by pressing V. Then delete the clip and right click and click on Ripple Delete to adjust the gap between the clips. We can adjust the speed by right clicking on the clip and going to speed, or by pressing Ctrl+R. Here we can also reverse the speed, as you can all see it. Here we can also add music to the footage to make it look good. And then we can add title by pressing Ctrl+T. Then we can type the name, the forest, I like it over here. Then scale it. You can scale it from Effect Controls or from Program window by using your mouse. Then you can select the font. Add transition to it as you like. Then I'm adding up dip to black to fade it out. Now you guys can export the video by pressing Ctrl+M or going to the file, then export it. Export format in H.264. Then select the preset as you like. You can also save your preset. Set time interpolation to optical flow for better rendering. Use maximum render quality, then go to video and set render at maximum depth. Then export. That's all for today. Hope you liked the video. If you have any doubts, let me know in the comment section. Goodbye.